Hello friends, welcome to Developers Vision. So today we are going to learn about fonts and text in CSS. We all know that HTML is used for markup language and CSS is used for styling in web development. In HTML we can increase the font size by using just h1 tag, means heading tag, which have h1 to h6 different different tags h1 to h6. So let's see how we can modify the font in CSS. Let's see some code. So here is the HTML code. So let's make first HTML. Opening HTML tag, then add. The title is font in CSS. Here is the link of our CSS document which we will create after this code. Closing the head tag, body. In body I am providing the paragraph which is developers nation. Here is the div element. In div I am giving some text which is build your dream website with us. I am closing the body tag, then I am closing the head HTML tag. So this is our HTML. Now we are going to create the CSS part. So I am writing the P which is used to paragraph, and I am opening curly braces. Then font family. Font family is Times New Roman. Then quotes, then comma, times serif, then font style is normal, then color lime, font size is 1.5 em. So 1.5 em is the 1.5 into normal text. So it is 1.5 greater size than normal text. EM used to modify our text size, represent the normal text size, EM. Then we are creating CSS for div element. Here is the font family. Font family is Arial, Helvetica. We have provided these two font families just for if your browser don't support these fonts family or font style, so it will use the default font which will used by the browser. Font width, here I am using bold. Font style oblique, color orange, font size 3 em, which is 3 into normal text, which is greater than 3 times which is normal text we use in web development. In this is our CSS document, guys. So let's save these documents and run this on your local browser, default browser. You can just click the HTML file where you save this file, or you can copy the path of this file and paste it on the URL section of the browser. So we define the font on div element as Arial, and Helvetica. If the browser doesn't support as the Arial, it will include the next option, which is Helvetica. Okay guys, in the browser is not support the font family property, or the property was not defined by the programmer or developer, it will use the default font from the browser. So the font size is defined by the EM, which means the current size of font 3 times greater than a normal font. The font width property is used for define the text as bold or normal. As the normal suggests, font size is used for deciding the font size, and the font style will define whether the text is LaTeX, normal or oblique. The text is aligned and defined in a font of way in CSS. Let's have a look at the following code to understand better. First, we have created the CSS as we always do. So let's create the HTML. Here is the HTML opening tag, the head. Here is the title, which is text in CSS, the link of CSS document, then closing the head tag. This is our body guys. In body I am providing the paragraph, which is developers nation, and another paragraph I am using the ID, which is developers. Paragraph text is learn CSS online. I am closing the paragraph tag. Then I am using the third paragraph, and I am using in the ID, which is nation. Learn HTML online with us, closing the paragraph. Then I am creating the div element, which is I am using the text build your dream website with us, closing the div element, and then closing the body. Then I am closing the HTML tag. So this is our HTML document guys. Let's create the CSS part of this document. So here is the CSS document, which is P. I am using color orange. Then I am making the ID, which is developers. I am using # sign for creating the ID. Opening curly braces, color line. Then text decoration, which is underline, text align center. I'm closing the curly braces. Then second ID is nation, as we use has to create ID, as nation, opening curly braces, color orange. Okay, then text align left, we are make this text on left. Then the text indent. Okay, then I'm creating the div part for styling, so I'm using div, opening curly braces, text transform uppercase, color navy, text decoration in through, line through. Line through means the line is going through the text. As we cut some text, we used to erase some text or delete some text on paper. We use line, we make the line on the text, as this line through we use in web development on styling. So text align justify. Okay, so this is our CSS document, guys. Let's run this document. Open it on your default browser. This is our output, guys. We use the text decoration determines whether a line runs over, under, or through the text. Text align help us to position our text according to the layout of the page, like right, left, or center. To make indentation of the text, we use text indent property. We can use the text transform property to change the text upper or lowercase. So guys, you will see how we can manipulate the text and font in our web page. We use text decoration line through to insert a line through the text, and text transformation uppercase to change the text to alphabetic characters, small alphabetic or capital letters. If you want to learn more about web development, visit our website developersnation.co.in, which is you can learn more about CSS, and you will find the useful resources in the website, or check the description below. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for future updates. Thank you.